Welcome to Bike Update, your go-to channel for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release, the 2025 Suzuki RM50. If you're a young rider or a dirt bike enthusiast looking for a lightweight, high-performance machine, this one's for you. Let's get into the details. A new entry in the RM lineup. Suzuki has finally expanded its legendary RM series with the all-new 2025 RM50 dirt bike. This mini dirt bike is designed for beginner and intermediate riders who want a powerful yet manageable machine for off-road fun. With Suzuki's decades of racing heritage, the RM50 delivers a thrilling ride in a compact engine and performance. Under the hood, the RM50 is powered by a 49cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, delivering smooth power with quick throttle response. It's built for young riders who want to develop their skills while experiencing real motocross performance. The bike also features a 6-speed transmission, allowing better control and acceleration on different terrains. Lightweight frame and suspension. Suzuki has kept the RM50 lightweight and agile, making it easy to handle for new riders. The aluminum frame ensures durability while keeping the weight low. Equipped with long travel suspension and upside-down front forks, this bike can handle jumps, bumps, and rough tracks with ease. Braking and safety features. Safety is a top priority, and the RM50 doesn't disappoint. It comes with hydraulic disc brakes on both wheels, providing excellent stopping power. The adjustable brake levers allow younger riders to customize the feel for better control and confidence on the track. Design and styling. Inspired by its bigger RMZ siblings, the RM50 features Suzuki's signature yellow and blue racing graphics. It's a mini bike that looks just as aggressive and race-ready as the full-sized models. With a comfortable seat height and ergonomic design, it's perfect for young riders to grow into. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? The 2025 Suzuki RM50 is an exciting addition to the dirt bike world. It offers a perfect balance of power, agility, and safety for beginners who want to get into motocross or off-road riding. If you're looking for a reliable, performance-packed 50cc dirt bike, the RM50 should be at the top of your list. Subscribe for more updates. That's all for today's video on Bike Update. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the RM50? See you in the next video.